Come on, bruh. Hurry the freak up, bro. You know what I did? I lotioned again right before I started driving the car. I gotta stop. Like, oh my gosh. Wow, that dip was something serious. Express how much I'm in love with this flipping car, guys. The train stopped in the middle of the road, bro. Why? Bro, you go wash your butt, bro. Like, what are you doing? Like, maybe he is washing the butt. That's why the train stopped right there. Frick. If this light don't change, man, I'm like, you ever...
made me want to kill myself!
Just a normal, regular guy. Normal, regular guy. Just following the laws.
Cap.
Bro, all these freaking traffic lights, bro. I think this might legitimately be affecting my mental health. Oh, it's magic, you know. These speed bumps, man, in a car like this, it makes me feel so violated. Like, I feel like I'm entitled to some sort of financial compensation for my physical and mental pain. Oh gosh, wow. Oh, my exhaust. No, bro, my exhaust.